here in Nigeria. And I was trying to sleep, and the heat in Benue State is too much. And you see, I'm wearing singlet. And you see the hotel window is open, like wide open, because of what? Heat. Even like this, I'm still sweating. That's to show you the level of heat. And they don't pay for room that has AC. That is why. It is what it is, man. Just these slides. Oh, this light spoiled yesterday. And I fixed the lights by myself. The lighting is better. I just cleaned my camera. I used to have a good video. The fan is on, but the heat here is crazy, man. Not that the fan is not on. Look, maybe the fan is on, but there's no AC. Window is open. But I'm still sweating. If you look at my face, I'm still sweating. It's crazy. You're welcome. Thank you for joining. Good morning here in Nigeria. My name is Akido Shimatala. Welcome to Shimaready TV. Like I said, it's about 4 a.m. Nigerian time. And I was trying to sleep. I couldn't sleep because of the level of heat here in Benue State, Nigeria. I don't know the other part of Nigeria, but this part where I live is Benue State, and the heat is crazy. And I'm lodging in a hotel, so this hotel does not, this particular room, there's no AC. What I have here is only the fan. Can you see it? So maybe tomorrow, if I'm streaming like this, you'll see me. I'll just pull off this shirt, this singlet, so that you know that there's heat here in my state, you know. But it's all good. You're all welcome. Thank you for liking. You're welcome. I always like to communicate with my viewers and then to know where they're watching me from. I always said here in my live stream is about lifestyle, who I am, what I do, and just about me and about you. You're watching me. And it would be nice if you just send something in the comment section. Nigerian man. Kabi Patel. Nigerian man, where are you from? Yes, I'm a Nigerian man. Benue State. Where are you from? Thank you for joining. But to be honest, the heat is crazy in this part of Nigeria. And it's all good. You are from Dubai. Oh, you're from Dubai. Wow. How are you doing? How is Dubai today? How is Dubai today? I hope you're fine. I don't know how to speak Arabic, or I was just greet you. If I say Assalamu alaikum, is it right? That's a general greeting for all our Muslim brothers. Assalamu alaikum. So guys, if you're new on this channel and you want to support me, you can subscribe to this channel. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. And I have here on this channel, I always say this every day, African movies here. Yeah, I'm an upcoming film producer. So I've produced about four short film, and I'm working on 3 short film currently. And if you love African films, you can as well, subscribe so that maybe before or after 14th of this month, I will upload my new movie. So I hope you guys will enjoy the movie. It's great, and I love telling our stories. They look some local story. I enjoy them a lot. Sometimes the way I want to produce, sometimes things get rough, but you have to do it. Just to keep pushing your content out there for people to see. Yeah. So there is that. You're all welcome. Can I know where you're watching me from? If it is okay by you. Like I said, because the heat here is crazy. Okay, let me just see my break. I think I'll just sleep on this live stream. I'll just stay here and sleep. Well, it's good to be communicating here with you because if I communicate with you, you know that this is what I'm doing. I will try to sleep, but this heat, my brother, this heat is hitting me. The movie will show that everyone knows. Hello, Khan Ken Sagala. Ken Sagala. Ken Sagala, how are you? How are you doing? Where are you streaming from? You're welcome. Ken Sagala. How are you and where are you streaming from? What is the weather? What is the weather in your country now? Can I say weather condition? What is the weather condition? What is the weather in your? There should be how is the weather in your? Is what is the weather in your country right now? It's still good. Well, like I said, my own. What is the weather in your country? It's still cool. Or how is the weather in your country? That's not the question when I'm being. How is the weather condition in your country? Trying to do a promotion. Oh God, guys, it's 4 a.m. and you see my window is wide open. You guys see, it's dark outside though. widely open. Wow, wow, wow. Why? Let me just try it anyway. Come on. Let me try to see. If you're watching my lights, know where you're watching it from. Say something in the comment section. Good, I'm feeling sleepy. Oh. Yo, what's up, guys? Let's know where you're watching us from. You know, it's late at night here. Like earlier, that was early hours of the day. 4 a.m. Nigerian time. Oh, what's this password now? It was like 3 something. Trying to run some promotion and I'm having difficulties. I don't know. This card is not even displaying. It's crazy. Before one can use a big card, but now I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to do a promotion. Or they even reject the card. Why? Trying to run some promotion. And my card is giving me headache. Headache. And I even need to go back to the bank and tell them to give me a card that I can be using for my internet stuff. Which is yes. I can't even remember my password. It's pockets. I did something to that. Pocket 3 1. Can't even remember. Okay, let me go to. Let me see. I know I'm going to sleep around maybe 5 or 6. So when I'm sleeping, if you don't mind, you can still join me. Just sleep. class maybe. This one is malfunctioning. What's wrong with it? Excuse me, guys. trying to do a promotion online and my card is just disappointing me. I don't know what to do. I just hope this online card that one can use to pay bills online. Also, these are bank card. They always give us issues. Physical, virtual. I don't know which card now. I have it, not that I don't. Everything is here. The window is open. The window is open. The window is open. Are you scared? Are you scared that the window is open? Are you not scared that the window is open? 5199. Just me writing things. Says she's American. In Nigeria, everything must be stress. Everything within this our country. Okay, let me try to watch a video out. Somebody wants to hack into my account. So if it's good to do that. Sometimes I sleep on the snow. That's when I'm tired. If I'm tired, I will snow. Hear me be dream. But I snow mostly when I'm tired. I snow when I'm tired. And anytime I sleep and face it, nothing will stop me from snowing. I'll snow. But once I sleep, I put my face down. You'll never see me snow. That is one thing about me that people don't know. Alright guys, thank you. See you next one. I'll try some days and then stream for like 2 hours. And see how it's going to be. One second. Let's go. Guys, see you later.